Welcome back everyone to the channel, and for those of you just discovering us, thank you for stopping by. Today we're diving deep into a platform that claims to revolutionize how you study. If you're a student looking to cut down your study time or just searching for a smarter way to learn, you've probably heard whispers about AI study tools. One name that keeps popping up is StudyFetch. Alright, let's talk about StudyFetch. The core promise of this platform is incredibly straightforward. It aims to make learning faster and more effective, but without shortcuts. It positions itself as a comprehensive AI learning ecosystem. The process begins the moment you upload your course materials. StudyFetch accepts a wide array of formats including PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, images, audio files like MP3, video files like MP4, and even direct links to YouTube videos and Google Docs. This flexibility is a major strong point, as it means virtually any resource from your class can be fed into the system. Once your materials are uploaded, the platform's AI, named Spark.e, gets to work. Spark.e is presented as your friendly dog AI tutor, and it's the engine behind everything. It scans and indexes your uploaded content, making it searchable and ready for interaction. StudyFetch offers two main subscription plans, a monthly plan and an annual plan. The monthly plan is billed at $19 per month. The annual plan is presented as the best value option, billed at a total of $96 per year, which breaks down to $8 per month, representing a stated savings of $132 compared to the monthly rate over a year. Both premium plans include key features such as AI Tutor Mode, unlimited chat with the AI, and access to live lectures. The platform promotes that users can cancel anytime, and it notes that 92% of its subscribers have improved their grades, with over 7 million students already using the service. So, there you have it, a complete look at StudyFetch. Remember, no 2L is a substitute for dedicated study, but the right one can definitely make the journey smoother. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, showing you the real pros and cons before you spend your time or money, let me know by liking this video. It tells me you appreciate this format. Don't forget to check the description for any links we might have. Until next time, study smart, and I'll catch you later.